When I started TSMC, I had a dream to build fabs in the United States, and my dream lives.
Bringing TSMC's investment to the United States is a masterstroke and a game-changing development for the industry.
We really do have a colossal project here. There's not many sites in America with a vision this big.
A total now of $165 billion invested here.
We always listen to our customers, and they asked us to be here.
TSMC Arizona shows how dedicated we are to pushing advanced manufacturing.
In North Phoenix, TSMC kicked off semiconductor chips production ahead of schedule.
TSMC performs miracles, designing custom chips with technology at the limits of physics.
We can fit billions of transistors on a single chip.
We invented the GPU, revolutionized computer graphics, artificial intelligence, and pioneered accelerated computing with chips they built for us.
Jensen is here, of course, the CEO of NVIDIA. This is the clear winner of every winner in the world of artificial intelligence.
This would not be possible without them. Their superpower is a corporate culture that engenders trust. As Morris repeatedly said, their operations will jump through hoops to support our constantly changing needs.
Customers waiting to get the chips from this fab are also as excited as we are.
It's just a neat project. The community's proud to have this going up here.
We're bringing jobs back to the United States, building chip manufacturing that's going to be lasting.
This is maybe the most important turning point in the semiconductor industry in America.